Hello, I wanted to pop on here really quick and show you an item that's in the outlet sale that I love. Now the color I'm going to show you is available, isn't on sale, but there's a taupe-ish color. Now this isn't the pattern, but that's the taupe. And then a solid gray, and then a colorful one that is on sale. So what I wanted to show you are these set of 3 packing cubes. Okay, so there's the 3 just at a glance. Because usually when we travel, we're not unpacking anywhere. Like maybe we're going away for the weekend and we are working out of our suitcase. And actually the last time I went tropical, I actually worked out of my suitcase, and then just as I wore them, put the dirty clothes in the suitcase, and then all my clean clothes were in here. So it's pretty great. So this one I wrote #awkward, because if you've ever been searched and they're looking through your undies, that's awkward. The next one I put tanks and tees, and just so you let you know, like if you're gone away, like I was gone away for like 6 days, I put like probably a dozen shirts. So it fills up, like you can't, this probably won't be too small. Okay, so tanks and tees, I highly doubt it'll be too small. I found it perfect. And then pants and shorts. Another way to do the embroidery I just did for some I got for Sarah. There's a great big huge ampersand that fills up here. And then at a different color, I kind of put sort of somewhat over the ampersand pants and shorts. It was another cute way to personalize it. The other thing you could do, I thought, is you could get 3 large, or however many are in your family, 2, 3, whatever, 1 for each of you. Put laundry, and then you literally, as the dirty clothes, just go in here. That'd be a really good thing to do too, right? So there's 2 ways to do it. Now, there's when you buy all 3, like 1, 2, 3, and you personalize them, that'll get you $60, which could entitle you to a 50% off item. I'm gonna suggest 2 things that I love that would, this is the first one, the double duty caddy. This one says drinks. This one ended up in my pantry. As you can see, it fit a ton, by the way. I ended up at the beginning, it was full of a whole box of these from Starbucks or from Costco. I had some Starbucks ones. I had my Arbonne Fizz sticks, some emergency sticks, some other electrolyte drinks, my protein, my greens, Nesquik seed, like a ton, right? So that's a really cool drink caddy. Great under the bathroom sink or the kitchen sink. Really great as like a charging station. Everybody pops in their electrical stuff during dinner time, remotes, or if you have magazines and books sitting by your TV. If you have 6 books on the go, this would be really nice in your bedroom, on your end table. Literally, I can think of a billion. Homeschooling, like in my office, I've got 2 coming, like a billion different things. I love the double duty caddy. So this would be a good half price item, which I'm pretty sure works out to be $17. And then this is my fave. This is my Your Way rectangle. It's one of the first things I got from 31. I love having the lid, so it just cleans up the look. This would be another good half price item. I really recommend starting with the baking one or a snack one, because those are the things that are often out of control. Or tea, like a tea bin. So anyway, my baking one, salt, cocoa, cornstarch, baking soda, baking powder, my birds, kind of all those recipe staples. And then they're usually up high, awkward, hard to stack. My mom even just had like a deeper cupboard in her last place. It was perfect in there too. You can get them embroidered, or if you get the plain charcoal ones, they come with the chalk window, or chalk right here, I should say, not a window. Instead of that, it's chalk, like a chalkboard. And then you can just write on it. And then if you ever think you might want to change your mind, or you're give it as a gift, I like to give these as gifts. My next person who's going to be a recipient of one, my niece, they just got their first home. I'm going to get her a baking one, fill it full of some fun baking things. It's kind of a fun theme gift, and perfect, done. I know she'll use it, right? Everybody always loves it. My other niece that I started, now she's got a list of, could I get a pasta one next? Could I get another snack one? Because to be honest, I have 2 snack ones, and I could probably almost use a third, because there's school snacks and then snacks at home, and then you know how it goes. Anyway, check that out in the outlet sale. The outlet sale ends Monday night at midnight. Things can and do sell out, so just make sure if you have some stuff in your cart to try to hit some it really quick. And happy shopping, happy saving money. Cool gift idea even for a graduate coming up, right? Okay, bye.